Peyton Isaacson. I'm doing Hamlet, Act 1, Scene 1. I'm Horatio.
That I can, at least the whisper goes so, our last king, whose image but now appeared to us, was, as you know, by Fortinbras of Norway, there too, pricked on by the most emulent pride, dared to combat, in which our valiant Hamlet, for so this side of our known world esteemed him, did slay his Fortinbras, who, by a sealed combat, well ratified by law and heraldry, did forfeit with his life all those lands which he stood seized of to the conquered, against of which a moiety competent was gauged by our king, which had returned to the inheritance of Fortinbras, had a vanquisher as by the same commort and carriage of this article designed, he fell to Hamlet.
Bravo.